The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in the Donetsk direction. Units of the U group of forces, operational tactical aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems have destroyed over 140 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 8 motor vehicles, 1 Polish-made Krab self-propelled artillery gun, as well as Gvozdika and Akatsiya self-propelled howitzers, 1 D-20 howitzer, 1 US-made AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery radar station during the day. An artillery ordnance depot of the 107th Rocket Artillery Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine has been destroyed near Sergeyevka in Donetsk People's Republic. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical and dummy aviation, as well as artillery of the Vostok group of forces, inflicted a fire damage on Ukrainian units close to Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Marfapol and Zagornoye in Zaporozhye region. In addition, Russian military foiled an enemy assault group's attempt to counterattack in the direction of Vodinoye and Nikolskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. As many as 35 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 pickup trucks, D-20 and D-30 howitzers have been neutralized in these directions during the day. In total, 406 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,684 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,554 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,078 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,515 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,319 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Armed Forces of Ukraine in a statement said Russia lost 480 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles as well as 8 artillery units and 4 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 177,110 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,633 tanks, 7,016 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters, 292 helicopters, and 2,291 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 407 days. There is still no peace agreements between 2 sides. Ukraine also shows footage of the gunners. They are now ready to fire using British AS-90 artillery weapons systems. The second group of Ukrainian gunners is completing training on the formidable 155mm AS-90 self-propelled gun. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky met his cabinet after visiting Poland. Today, I'm already in Ukraine, in Kyiv, here, on bank over the whole day. A day of internal meetings and preparations for events planned for the coming weeks, Zelensky said.
Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці. Сьогодні увесь день вже в Україні, в Києві, тут, на Банковій. День внутрішніх нарад та підготовки до заходів, які заплановані на найближчі тижні. Провів нараду з главою уряду, Шмигалем, більш щодо поточних питань, координація.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.